Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how you can use while loop in Bash shell. So first of all, we'll open a script that is vim while.sh in vim editor. Then we'll press I to insert our text. And on the first line, we'll write as shebang line, that is hash exclamation mark slash bin slash bash. That means our script will run in a shebang line, and in this script we will print the table of a number. So first line will print that echo minus n, that is enter a number. So we will take an input from user and we will store it in the variable num, and we are going to print the table of this num using while loop. So first of all, we'll initialize one variable with I equal to 1, and we'll use this variable for our while loop. So to initial to declare a while loop in bash shell, we have to write while, then square bracket. Notice there is a space in while and square bracket, and then again there will be one more space, then dollar sign to access the value of this variable I, and then sign that is less than equal to until 10, since we are going to print the table of the number num. So we are going to increment the value of this I till 10. So it will be printing the table of this number num. So I'll just complete this square bracket here, and then you have to start the loop uh, body, that is do, then enter, then you have to press one space, then result equal to, we are going to multiply. So we will have to use the expression expr, then dollar sign will be accessing the value of this num, and then we have to multiply that with the variable I. So each multiplication it will be printing the next multiple of the value num. So for that we need to multiply like this backslash, then access the value of I, and we'll complete this expression here itself. Then we'll print this multiplication on echo, that is same thing, we'll just print it on echo, that is equal to dollar of result. Complete this echo statement, and then we will increment the value of I using the same expression command, that is expr I plus 1 and complete. And after the completion of the body of your while loop, you have to write done, and then I'll press escape. Our script is completed here, and I'll save the script using :wqa, and after that you have to make the script executable. So we'll write chmod plus x while.sh, the name of our script. So now our script is executable. We'll just execute this script, that is ./file.sh, and it will ask us to enter a number. So let's enter number like 5. You'll see it is our script is printing the table of 5. So if we run it again, and if we suppose give a difficult number such as 16, it will still print the table of 16. So this is how you can write a while loop in bash shell. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe for more videos.